In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make 200,000 naira within 3 weeks as a beginner. Yes, you heard me right. I don't have any knowledge about this. All I know is just that I want to start this side hustle, and I just contact someone and they put me in, just give me prizes, and I started this side hustle. I was able to make 200,000 naira within 2 weeks without no capital. You don't need to invest anything. All you need is just a smartphone and data subscription and your WhatsApp. I've made a content about this particular side hustle before. If you really want to watch exactly step by step in the video, I make exactly step by step on how you can actually start the side hustle. So let's talk about the second side hustle that you can actually start making money from. But you're not going to make a lot of money from it, but you can actually make some money from it, and it's actually helped me a lot. I've done it before, so of course I can actually assure you that you can make money from it, but not that a lot, and it's not meant for everyone. Okay, if you have a lot of students or friends around you or people around you, if you are a good location that you have a lot of people around you, that one is a very good one for you. Okay, let's dive into the second one. Let me show you the website and how exactly you're going to be doing this particular side hustle.
So what you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser and type in vtuexpress.com. Click on the very first link. It's going to take you to their home page where you're going to sign up an account. I already have an account, so I'm not going to be signing. I'm going to be signing up because of this video.
So what you need to sign up on this particular account: your full name, your username, email address, phone number, address, and you can also use my referral code. I'm going to put it on the screen. It's going to be available in the description box as well. And create a password, confirm your password, click on I have agreed to terms and conditions of this particular website.
So now let me sign into my own account and show you that I have actually tried this out. It's not a joke. Okay, now I'm just putting my username and my password and click on signing. So there is always one thing I like about this particular website is that they always give you a notification ahead of time. For instance, if the network of a particular service or of a particular line or a service is not available or is not good, they are going to notify you that before you carry out the transaction. So this is how the dashboard looks like. You can make up to like at least 1,500 naira a day from this particular website. If you can make it in a day times 30 days, that's almost 45,000 naira per month. If you are making this money as a side hustle, I don't think it's quite small. It's not that small as well, but it's not a big amount of money, but it's going to solve some things. Now, what exactly are you going to be doing to make that money on this particular website? You will be selling data subscription, airtime top up, generation of data pin, electricity bill, cable subscription, results checker pin. That is what you're going to be doing on this particular website, and it's a very good one. All you need is just a smartphone and data. My total funding on this particular website was 130,507 kobo, as you can see here. So it's not that I'm joking. I have done it before and I've made money from it before. It saves me a lot. So that's just it about this particular website. Now let me show you the prices of data on this particular website. Click on the 3 line by the corner of the dashboard. This place is going to show up. Then click on pricing to check the prices of the various service you want to. You can render on this particular website. So before you start, pricing of airtime, selling of airtime does not have a lot of profits like that. The only thing you can do on this particular website to give you more profits is selling data and results checker. Now let's go and check out the pricing of data subscription. On MTN data, you can sell 50 MB for 100 naira and you are going to be getting it for 43 naira. While you can also sell 500 MB for 150. I mean, you can sell 500 MB for 150 or 147. You can sell it for 200 naira. And also on this particular website, you can see 1 gig for 220 or 218. You can also sell it for 300 naira. 3.5 gig, you can get it for 560. And you can sell 3.5 gig for more than 1,200 or 1,000 naira. They are still going to buy. 2 gig, you can get it for 580 and you can sell it for 650. This 2 gig does not have a gain, but 3.5 gig has gain, and all of this data lasts for 30 days. It lasts for 30 days, so you can easily, the higher the prices of, for instance, if you sell 3.5 gig for 2 people, which is 1,000 naira. If you sell it for 1,000 naira, you're going to be getting a profit of 400 and something per one person. So imagine you sell it for 3 people in a day, you are getting 500, I mean almost like 1,400 already, or 1,200 already. So you can get 1,500 naira as profit every single day selling data subscription. And if you said that in a day, you are going to make 45,000 naira at the end of the month. It's not that bad. It's not that bad for students, and if you want some extra side just to make some, just to pay some bills. As for, there's also data subscription for Glo, for Line, and for Airtel, for Line Mobile as well. Alright guys, that will be all about data subscription on this particular website. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comment section. If you found this video very valuable to you, let me know in the comment section. Okay, like the video and also drop a comment or an emoji. I really appreciate that.
You can easily fund your accounts with 4 different methods: fund with Paystack, fund with payments, fund with automated transfer, fund with coupon. So what I like to use is that there's always an account number in the dashboard, like in the dashboard. So you just click on it and just make a payment. I like the Wema Bank, and I also like the Line payment service as well. So just choose the one that you want yourself. Alright guys, I hope this video is very valuable to you, and also make sure you give me a thumbs up. It's going to help my video to get more viewers, and also you are also helping other people to get more across my channel, because I will never give you fake info about making money online. I will never give you unrealistic way to make money online, especially in Nigeria. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to watch the first video. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box for you. Okay, bye for now. See you in my next video. Take care.